What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is September 8th and it is gorgeous out, man. It's like 70 degrees, no humidity. Can't beat it. Perfection. Anyway, today's video is very simple. It's cars and motorcycles. Who doesn't like cars and motorcycles, really? Kris and I hopped on a motorcycle, went and visited some friends, hit a couple motorcycle rallies, hit a couple car shows, had a good time. I kept the phone in my pocket most of the time, so I don't have a whole lot of footage. That being said, I did pull the phone out on Sunday at the West Bend car show. Got some cool cars there. Then we headed over to the Economo Walk motorcycle rally. Thousands and thousands of motorcycles there. So I got some of that on video. But that's about it. Cars and motorcycles and a good time. Short video, straight to the point. Check out some cool machines, and I will see you guys next time. Later. I got my head in the background. This is what I need to move into. This is not our GTO.
Oh, and then do band stuff with them.
Was it in primer last year or we saw it? I take it for a ride and I'm like,
He wear no shoe shine, he got toe jam football, he got monkey finger, he shoot Coca-Cola.
Got it. Live action film here. Brisket.
Like last night. You said it was smaller than Portage.
Yeah.
There are motorcycles as far as you can see down here. Oconomo, Wisconsin.
I'll get lost in the crowd.
What does this bike do?
You need a custom.
There you go.
Actually, you know, this is a really cool